Hey there, TikTok explorers! Welcome to Famety.com, your go-to place for all things social media, without the tech mumbo-jumbo. Today, we're diving into something very important: how to share a TikTok video. Yes, we know, you probably already know how, but hey, let's pretend your grandma just joined TikTok, or your boss, or you after a long nap. Let's break it down, step by step. No extra effects, no filters, just facts, and maybe a few jokes. All right, step 1. Open the TikTok app, that magical place where you go in for just 5 minutes, and somehow it's Thursday. We've all been there. Scroll until you find that one video, the one that made you laugh, cry, or question how someone has that many cats. It could be your own video, or someone else's. No judgment. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the arrow icon on the right side of the screen. That's the share button. Tap it like you mean it. Boom! Options galore. Want to send it to your bestie on WhatsApp? Done. Share it on Instagram stories? Easy. Copy the link and drop it into a group chat where no one ever replies? That too. You can even save the video if the creator allows it. Just don't be that person who reposts without credit. We see you. And there you go. Sharing a TikTok video is almost easier than making one. If you found this helpful, give us a like, maybe even a share. Yes, that irony was intentional. See you in the next one. Now go spread that TikTok gold.